Welcome to this video. Today we will talk about 10 cute animals that can be deadly. It may be hard to believe that these cute animals could pose a danger, but the truth is that they have the potential to harm or even kill humans. Let's go. Dolphin. Though the dolphin is considered as the human's friend in the sea, but this mammal has a very strange act. The bottlenose dolphin is the only confirmed creature, apart from humans, that can kill with completely no reason. And though its attacks on humans are rare, it doesn't prevent that there are some confirmed accidents. In 1994, there was a dolphin that attacked a couple of people in Brazil. It killed one of them and broke the other ribs, and another person stated before. When he was close to Sherkin Island in Ireland, there was a dolphin that tried to sink him on purpose. Panda. Maybe you've seen some videos of the cute panda trying to move from one tree to another, or while it's trying hard to eat bamboo, and your first impression will be that you'll want to play with that cute teddy bear. But I don't recommend that you do so, because while the panda mostly depends on the bamboo as food, the panda is also a very moody creature and will get aggressive if it feels any kind of threat. In 2015, an accident of a panda that people were chasing it in a village, and when the panda escaped them, it went to a little farm. And unfortunately for the owner, he was there, and the panda quickly attacked the farmer and bit off his leg. But the man fortunately survived, and that's just one of many accidents involving pandas. Slow loris. The slow loris looks very cute, to a point that when you see it you'll pity him. And it's no wonder if you want it to be your pet. But if this happens, your life will be in real danger. Besides that, owning the slow loris is illegal. The loris is a very lethal animal and is considered to be the most poisonous mammal in the world. And the way the loris manages the poison is really strange. And it's that it produces poison from its elbow, then put it in its mouth to mix it with its saliva to make its bite deadly. And something that's also strange about the loris is that it uses the same technique as the cobra, that when it feels dangerous it makes noises and sways exactly like a cobra. The mute swan. The mute swan is known in ballet and is very famous for its beauty and prestige. And many people think that it's one of the cutest animals in the world. But the mute swan has a dark side that proves it's dangerous and sometimes lethal, and it's known that it's very nervous and could attack and bite anyone who disturbs it. And there are many recorded accidents involving the swan trying to sink kids playing with it, and its long and strong neck and sharp teeth play a great part in making attacks more dangerous. Besides, it has aggressive behavior since it doesn't make a hit and run, but it still attacks and chases anybody trying to escape. The southern cassowary. The southern cassowary is considered to be the most dangerous bird in the world, and it's an Australian bird that looks pretty cool, though its behavior is very dangerous and violent. The southern cassowary speed can still easily reach 48 mph. 29.2 and the most dangerous is its way of attacking. The cassowary runs flat out the jumps to stab the target with its sharp claws, then it guts the target, and its claws are long and sharp. So in old ages it was hunted to use its claws as tips for spears. And though human deaths by the cassowary are rare, it doesn't prevent that there are some confirmed accidents, and it's heavily advised to stay away from areas where the cassowary lives. Sea lion. When sea lions are on the beach, they look beautiful, and their smooth skin and friendly face make anybody want to get close to them. And they indeed proved their ability to attract people to any zoo in the world. But they are nearer to being dangerous than being cute, and the reason is that their behavior caused many human injuries and deaths. And apart from the killer whale, the sea lion is considered to be the most dangerous hunter in the South Pole, and their favorite meal is penguins. But there are recorded incidents of them attacking humans and dragging them to the bottom of the sea. and their sharp teeth and strong jaws make their bite able to rip off large pieces of meat. And in 2003, a biologist named Christine Brown died because of a sea lion while diving near the search station she worked in, and this sea lion dragged her from the leg to the bottom of the sea till she died. Poison dart frog. Due to this frog's name, you may immediately know it's dangerous, and these colorful frogs differ in colors and poison rate. And the kind you should be aware of is the golden poison dart frog. And the reason is that the golden poison dart contains enough poison to kill 10 adults. Most importantly, don't touch its colorful skin, though it's so attractive, because their poison is stored in the skin glands. And what's really strange is when these frogs are raised in labs, they become non-toxic. And that made scientists think that the poison is generated by the food it eats in nature, then it takes their poison to use it itself. Pufferfish. The pufferfish is one of the cutest fishes in the ocean. It was used in some kids' shows like SpongeBob and Finding Nemo, but that doesn't say it's not lethal, and it's weird that it's more dangerous when it's dead and served at dinner in a famous Japanese recipe called fugu. And while the pufferfish is alive, it contains a toxic solution called tetrodotoxin as a means of self-defense. And just one sting from it will be the last day of your life, and also the hardest. But however, this isn't the most common way to get poisoned. And the most common is to eat the fugu from a chef unprofessional in handling the fish, and couldn't extract all the poison from the fish during preparation. And once a person is poisoned, he will suffer vomit, muscle twitches, fast heartbeats, and he'll become unable to breathe. And death rates are from 10% to 50% for those who get poisoned. And till today there's no anti-poison. Platypus. That cute creature which its body that looks like a beaver and a mouth that looks like a duck is called a platypus. And it's the only mammal that lays eggs, and while it's a mix of cute animals, it's really far from cute. The platypus has a claw in its back foot that contains enough poison to kill a dog. And this claw is 1.5 centimeters long, 0.59 inches. And the poison in it is produced from a gland in the hip. And this poison is used in the fight against other animals. And while its sting might not be enough to kill an adult, it's still capable of delivering severe pain. Ant bear. The ant bear is a friendly animal, almost, and its food system only depends on small insects. And usually it's considered one of the most peaceful animals in the world. But the defensive side of the ant bear is a side no man on earth wants to experience it. And while it doesn't attack first, if you attack its land, it's going to defend it until death. And it'll use its gigantic sharp claws. And to make the hit even more lethal, the ant bear will stand on its back legs to strike with all its weight. And there are some incidents of the ant bear attacking humans, and other killing them. And because it's one the favorite preys of some of giant cats like the jaguar, it's always ready to defend itself from stronger and bigger enemies, and that makes it more dangerous if it meets humans. In conclusion, we must remember that animals, no matter how cute they seem, can pose a danger. We must be careful when dealing with wild animals or unusual pets.